For today's short video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste simple pictures like this one and earn couple of $1,000 in pure passive income. Once you got the system set up, you won't even have to put any amount of work, and the good part is you won't need any social media accounts and followers. This is very special method that I have not talked about before. It's very simple and available worldwide, and it's totally free. So stay tuned so you can get this special method and get all our exclusive tips to double or even triple your earnings later. I teach you how we can make a lot of money online by just simply copy and pasting simple images that we can find on Google. Make sure to pay attention so you learn everything step by step. First and foremost, I want you to go over to google.com and search for the keyword animals. Now click on images to see image results right here. You can find different images about all sorts of cute animals. This is exactly what we will be using to make money online using a special website and even more special strategies. Now I want you to go visit teespring.com. Teespring is a 100% free platform which allows you to create a bunch of e-commerce products that you can sell on internet. Then you have to upload them into teespring.com, and once all that done, Teespring will automatically help you print out those designs onto different apparels like shirts, hoodies and caps. You can see right here on the Teespring there are so many different types of apparels. And take a look at these designs right here. This one short cost this much money and this other one cost just a bit more. There are tons of different designs here on Teespring, and they cater all sorts of tastes in clothes. What that means is that you can basically sell anything on here. Here are some other examples of other products that they offer. Other than t-shirts here, we have some stuffs like backpacks, leggings, hats and even accessories like phone cases and mugs. This entire making money concept is called print on demand. Now what Teespring does is they help us pre-manufacture and create all of those apparels and different design for us, and they will ship it out over to 180 different countries all over the world. What this whole system does for you is allow you to own your very own online store on teespring.com and cost you nothing, and with that you can literally start generating income that can add up to 5 or 6 figures. Now who doesn't want 6-figure business? Now let's get into some more details. Basically you first need to create a product by using Teespring Launcher. Just hit the start designing button right here. Once you successfully creating your product, we are going to move to the next step, which is to boost your sales. You can either use your pre-existing network or some other tools or partnership integration. And don't worry, as I promised you all at the end of video, I'm going to give you additional bonus tips on how to get more sales without lifting your finger and get a lot of people who buy your designs without selling, without referring, without any technical skills on here. And all have to do is just most important thing, create a product. You can just copy and paste some really good quality images from Google like all of these cute animal photos right here. All you have to do is just go back to your homepage of teespring.com. I want to click on this button right here which says start designing, and from there that's going to take you over to this page where you can sign up the #1 global creator. Just fill out some simple information like your name or your brand name and enter your email address and password. Then just click on I'm not robot. Just click on sign up button. It's truly as simple as that. Once you enter your personal information, set up your account, all you gotta do is now create, and just a one click this button you will be taken to this page right here. You can find different categories of all sorts of trending products. Website will be giving you tons of suggestion on what's selling. Well, right now you can just also take look different trending categories right here, and if it happens that these categories just are not your jam, you can just scroll down below and choose from whole selecting tab rate and different items and products that you can create. As you can see over here, there are so many of them. Now let me show you a real life example of using this design for a long sleeve t-shirt. To start, simply click on this button right here. Then you will be taken to this category of long sleeve. From there, you can choose from any of these subcategories. For example, there's a classic, premium and organic over here. You can also see there the pricing of classic cost and this much, the pricing premium cost this much, and the organic one will be around this amount. The best one of this can to get started with, and the one that I would recommend is actually the classic. Just select it and click on this button to get start designing. Now we got to upload an image onto our t-shirt. We want it to be in middle of t-shirt, so we have to copy and paste an image on the top of it. What I want you to do right now is go back to Google Images and look for pictures of cute animals like I showed you at the beginning of the video. For our particular case, I will be using this little guy right here. I bet a lot of people would not able to resist. So once you select the image, all we got to do is that we have to just save into your computer or take a screenshot or save it on your mobile phone. It's 100% free, so don't worry. Now here we just have to click on this button to add an image, and we have to select the photos that we have chosen just now. Once you have successfully uploaded your image, that's going to show up on the t-shirt. As you can see here right now, you can actually just drag and drop the photos to place on the t-shirt that we want. You can even drag the corner right here to make it even more bigger or smaller. Right now, I actually want to make image a little bit bigger to fit the box here in the center, and I move it slightly to the bottom. Now this is exactly how I want my t-shirt design to look. See how simple is that the whole process been. You just have to copy an image that you like from Google, then paste it into your design on teespring.com. Now moving on to the next step, you have to choose a product color. In this case, I just want to choose white as our t-shirt color, and from there I just go down below where we can actually set up your price for the product. By default, they're going to suggest to you about this much money and you can earn 15% profit per sale. Let me tell you how Teespring will automatically help market and sell the t-shirt for you. So every single day there are hundreds of and up to thousands of people that come over to Teespring and go shopping for different apps and different t-shirt to purchase. Here's a little tip from me. Most creators actually price this product at about $29.99. So if your price is slightly lower, you can get as much more sales compared to others. It's actually a very good profit margin at 15% without doing anything other than simply copy and pasting and uploading images. Once you're satisfied with your design, all you have to do is now just click on this button, and from bottom and just click that, you can get your apparel and your designs online on teespring.com. Now as I promised, I show you another bonus tip to get even more sales. I want you to go on facebook.com. Now once you go over there, I want you to search for keyword relevant to your design. It could be a dog lover, cat lover, or other than that. And under this filter section, I want you to choose groups. Then I want you to take it public. Then just click on this button right here, and by doing that, it's going to automatically help you filter out those results about your particular search. Just click on the most relevant groups and you can find so many different other animal lovers from all over the world. Now if you are able to post simple designs right here on this group, you will be able to get a lot of organic sales without actually talking to anyone. These groups are super highly targeted traffic because all these groups are actually interested in what's you're particularly searching for. So once again, you can just click on this blue button right here to join this Facebook group and put up a very small post and share your design of t-shirt right there inside of the Facebook group to get a lot of sales for free. So all you have to do is exactly copy and paste simple images from Google and make a lot of big money on it. And that's it. This is Digital Ninja and my name is Akash, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. If you like to have more questions, please ask in the comment section, and if you have more further questions and queries, you can always follow me on Instagram and have your question answered. And that's it. I will see you in the next video.